We are going to check out apartment 212. This is a Caspian floor plan, and I'm starting outside this time because I just love this floor plan. There's so many great things, and one of the coolest parts is the entry. So I'm going to walk you through it the whole way. So when you walk in, I'm going to give it 1 second. So it has a motion detector light. So I think that's so fancy. You walk in and you're greeted by your light. So fun way to enter. So we just entered in. You can see on the right-hand side here, when you walk in, is your coat closet, and this is lit, and there is a ton of space in here. And then when you turn around, you saw this when you walked in. This is your laundry space. So this is your full-size front-loading washer and dryer, and there's a lot of space in here. This is also your utility closet, but you do have a lot of storage space in here. And then you can walk through here. You can just see the light shining off of the beautiful floors. You can walk right into your kitchen. So a ton of cabinets in here for storage. And you do have this center island here. You can tuck your bar stools underneath. And the center island also has extra storage. So you can see you have storage there and a space for your microwave. And I'll show you the kitchen from this angle as well. You can see those stainless appliances and the black backsplash. And this also overlooks your living space. So lots of space in here. If you love angles, this is the apartment for you. So this floor plan is the only floor plan on the property that has a covered terrace. So you will absolutely love this. So it is drizzling a bit today, so this is perfect. So you walk out, and again, it's got these great angles, and it is fully covered. So on a day that it's drizzling a bit, you can come out and still check out the view. This is the east courtyard. You can oversee the pool, the bocce courts, and just some general seating areas and the grills. So again, I'll show you from this way, but you have a ton of space out here. And the coveted covered terrace. All right, and this is the view of your living and kitchen space when we walked in. Okay, let's go over this way. We will check out the bedroom. So this one also has some really great angles, but there's a ton of space in this apartment, in this bedroom. So you can kind of check it out from this angle. This one's perfect if you have like a small desk, or if you like to read and you want a reading nook. This is the perfect little space for that. So you can see it's got this beautiful window here that would be great to read a book by or do work if necessary at your desk. So a great little nook in here. And then, like I said, you can kind of check out how large this bedroom is. And this one has the fully customizable California closet. So this is a walk-in closet. There's a lot of space in here, and you can move those shelves around so that it fits your needs. All right, check it out from this way as well. All right, and then we'll check out the bathroom, which is right next door. Hey, kitchen. So you walk in here, you have a ton of counter space in here. And then to your left, you have a linen closet. Again, lots of space. And this one does have the stand-up tiled shower with the glass doors, and that tile goes all the way up, so it's really beautiful. And there's a lot of space in here as well. All right, and here's your kitchen.